Everybody wants a more symmetrical face, and who wouldn't, man? Science has proven us time and time again that the more symmetrical your face is, the more attractive it's going to appear to everybody. Growing up, I didn't really have a symmetrical face, man, and I did something as crazy as bone smashing. And I was even featured in a Daily Mail article speaking about it, and I never suggested anybody do it, but it kind of shows how desperate I was to make my face more symmetrical. But through the years, I've developed the best strategies to make your face more symmetrical. Without further ado, let's get it. We're going to kick this off by creating structure within the face itself. If you're a subscriber on the channel and you already know exactly where this is heading, we're going to start with mewing and then nose breathing. Whenever we mew properly on a consistent basis, this is going to create that structure in the face. By pushing that tongue and creating a vacuum in the mouth, this will push against the palate, thus expanding the maxilla and then allowing the face to naturally develop the way it's supposed to. In addition to this, look at the difference between the nose breather and the mouth breather, man. It's freaking insane. So just breathing properly through your nose will automatically help develop your face the exact way it's supposed to. Typically, the widest part of the face is going to be this jaw muscle right here, the masseter muscle. So if we want a more symmetrical face, we want to build up this muscle pretty much the exact same. So the best way to do this is going to be with a couple things. You can do the jaw exerciser just like jaw or size. This is going to help you add that muscle hypertrophy so you can consistently add more resistance. And then another thing you can do is chew masseter gum, which is going to be pretty much like weighted gum, making it more difficult and more challenging over time. And then what I personally did whenever I was in high school is I would choose a mouthpiece pretty much every day, all throughout the day. I would just take it and just gnaw on it as much as possible. This really helps as well. And then a big one that you guys actually miss is whenever you chew, you typically kind of chew on one side. So make sure you're swapping the sides. And then every night whenever you sleep, a lot of you guys do this as well. You're sleeping on one side, but whenever you do this, gravity is pushing everything onto one side of your face, making the other side look very lopsided. So make sure you're flip-flopping whenever you sleep and then whenever you eat. I almost get annoyed at myself with how much I preach this, but to really show how symmetrical your face is, you gotta lose body fat, man. I think for ideal facial symmetry, you want to be between 8 to 12%. If you get too lean, you're going to kind of look like a crackhead. But if you're over like that 15% especially, you won't have any definition. There won't be any symmetry. It'll just be a big blob of Play-Doh. Once you're at that low body fat percentage, if everything's very uneven, one thing you can do, the best hack, is to grow a little stubble beard. Make it very, very symmetrical, and you can even line it up on a consistent basis. This will instantly make you look so much better looking. When your face is developing, there's one primary factor that's going to help develop it the most, and that's going to be actually HGH and testosterone. So if you can boost this naturally, it'll naturally boost the appearance of your face. This is why people exposed to more testosterone in the womb, more testosterone through puberty, they typically build more attractive, more masculine faces. So if you want to make your face look more symmetrical, it's going to help by boosting HGH and testosterone naturally. This is a huge one most guys never do, but you have to shape those eyebrows consistently, man. And what this is going to do, it's going to add somewhat symmetry to the face. I mean, think about the face. The eyebrows pretty much create symmetry of the entire face. It aligns everything. So if you have all these stray hairs everywhere, if it's completely out of whack, you will not have a symmetrical face. So I believe that you should pluck in between, underneath. This will automatically make your face look way more symmetrical. Stop asking me about bone smashing. Stop asking me about bone smashing. It's a stupid procedure. No one should ever bone smash. I tried it when I was a teenager. It's very stupid. It does a couple things. Number one, it can injure you. Pretty much, if you do not know, bone smashing is following Wolf's Law, where if you hit something, it'll grow. But whenever you do this, it's going to make your face even more asymmetrical. So don't bone smash. Don't even make it an option. The hairstyle will also help make you look a lot more symmetrical. So we have a couple options. You can go with curtains. This is one good one. You can go with the quiff, to where it's very symmetrical, and then you can go with the buzz cut, which is also going to be symmetrical. But if your face is already very asymmetrical, you might want to avoid the buzz cut. You know, curtains would be a very good one because obviously you kind of hide it and then you soften your features naturally. And then if your eye area specifically is very messed up, it's not symmetrical in the slightest, glasses will always be a great one. Sunglasses always look sick anytime it's sunny. I always have my sunglasses on. And then regular glasses looking like Superman, Clark Kent. This is also a great choice to make the eye area look way more symmetrical. And don't forget, guys, whenever you're exercising as well, this is also building a whole bunch of muscle, not just in the body, but in the face as well. This will boost HGH, testosterone. So make sure you're working out that neck muscle. Make sure you're really pushing yourself in the gym. This will naturally develop the face even more, making it way more symmetrical. That's it today, guys. If anyone watching this needs help with their fitness goals, link in the description box for a free one-on-one consultation with me, Austin Wayne. Also, kalosique.com for the best supplements in the fitness industry. Don't forget to subscribe subscribe. Best self-improvement channel on YouTube. That's it. I love you guys.